Alright, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the color replacer macro in Corel Draw. So once you open up your Corel file, you can find the color replacer macro either at the top or sometimes at the bottom. It doesn't always have the caption beside it. Sometimes it's just an icon and sometimes it's just the caption. So I'm just going to show you a few different things you can do with this macro. Start off with something simple. You can change anything on your page from one color to another. You click on the macro and you click on the find, which is going to find the color you have, and you're going to replace it with a color that you want. You just say OK, and it'll change the color for you. So when you're using this method, it'll change everything in your entire document. But if you want to change only one thing, you can select that one thing and use color replacer to find and replace with, say, yellow, and it'll only replace the one thing you have selected. So you can either do the entire document or you can do a single page, for example, or a single section that you want to change the colors of. Something else you can do with this is you can change the colors even if something's grouped together. So let's take this for example. Let's group it together. I'm going to use my color replacer to select the color I want to replace. And you see it works even though it was grouped together. So the color replacer will work for any object that is in a vector format. It will not work for any bitmaps on the other, however. Now what you may be using this for quite often is in Spiritware for changing the colors of a document. So we can do this entire document all together, and I'm just going to show you that very quickly. I'm going to use color replacer, and I'm going to change all of my gold to orange. Oh, sorry, I had one thing selected there. So I'm just going to do that again. I have nothing selected now. And I'm going to change from gold to orange. See how it changed everything on this page, but not just this page. It changed everything on the other pages as well. If, for example, I only wanted to change one section, I can do that here again. Color replacer, find orange, replace with purple. And there you go. So you can change entire documents or single sections with the color replacer. Sometimes it will seem like it's not working, and that's only because some of while the colors may look similar, they aren't the exact same colors, so you just have to make sure that the colors are the same. For example, if I have these two oranges here, if I change this orange to an orange that's similar but not exactly the same, like this orange here, so they look the same, but they won't actually be considered the same by the color replacer. The color replacer works with very specific colors, so I'm just going to go over here, and we're going to see that it only changed the oranges that were exactly the same. This orange, even though it looks similar, did not change. So that's the only thing that may occur with color replacer, and you'll think it's not working, but it is. And that's how you use color replacer macro.